we are going to announce the winner of our Young Wood Pro contest. This contest has been going on for 10 years now, and it's designed to highlight rising young stars in woodworking. And this year it was sponsored by Grizzly Industrial, and they don't only sponsor the contest, but they sponsor an education effort that goes along with it. Matt Buell, I know some of you, he's in a workshop right now, but he had a talk yesterday, and some of you have met him. Great custom woodworker from Arkansas. He's the host of the program and also has been one of the judges for this. But this year, we had more than 100 entries into the contest, and we narrowed those down to 21 amazing finalists. It was, we thought, really difficult for the judges to figure out who won, but it turned out that there was a clear winner. Here are some of the finalist items on the screen there. They're beautiful pieces of workmanship. Some really nice stuff. Chairs, furniture, bed, all sorts of different things, cabinets. But this tambour cabinet, liquor cabinet, really stood up. It's called the Swell Tambour Cabinet, and it's by Brian Skolaski. He's from Philadelphia. He's just turned 31, and his company is called Jug End Studio. He attended Bucks County Community College's woodworking program, and he has a BA in furniture design from the prestigious Rhode Island School of Design. The distinctive bentwood handles on there are ash that was steam bent, and they came out of experiments that he does, literally, quote unquote, playing with steam bending. And he has a whole wall of experiments that he's done with this, and it's pretty amazing. The piece is made out of walnut and ash. It has brass hardware, and there's even LED lighting inside of it. And I think there's some more pictures of it there. It's really amazing. And he is winning $500 cash from Woodworking Network and $2,000 shopping spree from Grizzly. He says that he's going to probably buy a bunch of dust collection for his shop. Anyhow, congratulations to Brian, and I'm sure we'll hear more from him. If any of you are coming to the Wood Pro Expo in Lancaster, Pennsylvania in October, since Brian is based in Philadelphia, he's going to come to the show. He's going to bring this piece so you can see it in person. He's going to borrow it back from his client, and I'll have him on a live podcast at Lancaster, so you can meet him and hear about him. Amazing guy. I'm really impressed. He's exactly the kind of person that we wanted to encourage with this Young Wood Pro program. And if you know anybody that is 35 or under and needs help to grow their business, this is the thing to get involved with.